Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox, and today we're going to be taking another look at Huawei's budget-oriented offering for 2018, the Huawei Y6. While we already have a review up on the website and channel, we wanted to delve deeper and show you its gaming capabilities to give you a better grasp if you should consider this device for your next purchase. So join us for this gaming review of the Huawei Y6 2018. Before we get the show on the road, let's recap its major specs. The Y6 sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor with an Adreno 308 GPU, 2GB of RAM, and 16GB of expandable storage. Honestly, at first we were very concerned about the amount of RAM on this device, but the gaming benchmarks yielded acceptable results. With that out of the way, let's get to gaming. Up first is a game that we use as a standard for most of our reviews, ASPHALT 8 Airborne. It may not be that popular for you guys, but it's always been a good base for us to test out the phone's gaming chops. With a graphics set to medium, the Y6 actually did pretty well, achieving an average of 26 frames per second at 88% stability. You'll get dips in the low teens at cutscenes in the beginning and end of each race, but it's smooth sailing once you have control of the vehicle. Not a bad start, but let's see how it handles one of the more popular MOBAs, Arena of Valor. We kept the HD display option off for this test, but we had the display quality plus particle quality set to high, and we were able to get a decent average of 30 frames per second at 92% stability. You're getting dips into the mid-teens at the very start of the game or when it transitions to the menus, plus very tiny hiccups to the low 20s in team fights, but nothing mind-numbingly frustrating. AOV is completely playable on the Y6, even more so if you tone down the settings just a bit. Last but certainly not the least is PUBG Mobile. The device managed to net an average of 21 frames per second at 87% stability with all the settings at the lowest possible, which is not bad at all. You are getting major dips to the very low teens when driving around and forcing the game to render foliage at a faster rate, but it didn't fail us during gunfights. If you're a fan of arcade mode though, then sadly you'll want to forgo it on this device, since having all those players in a tiny space makes the game almost unplayable. And that's pretty much it for this gaming review of the Huawei Y6 2018. Not too bad for a phone just under 6,000 pesos, right? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next one. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this device, leave them in the comment section down below. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.